Move too
You
fast,
can't
bro.
make a vulnerable situation through your vulnerable, bro. You just make it in a one bag of blood clot
Yeah,
caskets,
bro.
brother.
You
Have to
can't
come
make
and relax,
you
bro.
can't make cars when you go through, dog. You just fly up in a something different and just to try to distract yourself and distract your heart. Okay, you only go get fucked if you move too fast. I think Anya on for love, and then if you slow down, rethink our life, rethink ourself.
Them place are serious place to go in, bro. You go at GP in a bad man, and people, the girl around say with acid in, bro. The girl say with tab out your clothes in, bro. A war state that in, bro. The man they run us on a run joke, bro. You don't see them till night, You hear me try to tell you, bro? So I don't know joke place you go, bro. You have to know where you do with yourself, brother. People will kill you. Girl run there will tab up you. Man run there will kill you for the woman. You learn that blood clot. Man see the woman a war, we and the woman a war, man a coming like how defend the woman, a surround.
She need to up and leave there, so.
So you have to just careful and you just do the right thing, brother. A landlord woman, they just suck your mama. Go over there in a box up like you understand. Move your blood clot and go come out of people in space and go lick out your mama and your sister. Fuck on no feel like. No parent in a moon house me living in, Suck out to the mama landlord.
Well, Jabass, me feel the fear, man. Sure, go through it, man. You see it. And me not playing on your pocket right now. For the first in my life. First and the last. But I ain't wrong this time.
I embarrass her, bro. That, man. Brother, I'm done. I'm telling you, brother.